too much on my plate to be playing. You speak on my name, you gon' get a respect. This how it feel when you know you the best. This how it feel when you know you're creator. Get to the money, no time for a hater. I'm doing business, just hit me back later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video, I'm super excited because you guys see this box next to me. Like, I just got my train case, and I know I'm like super late. Oh, hold on, before I even start the video, the air conditioner's on because it's mega hot. Like, this weather has been changing, and honey, it's hot. Okay, so I gotta have the AC on because if not, like, my makeup's gonna melt. I got my train case and I'm super excited. I know I'm super late for the party, but I literally just got it in the mail. I'm so excited. I was waiting for it. It said that it was gonna come tomorrow, but then I had opened the front door and boom, I saw it and I was like, oh my god, it's finally here. So if you guys want to see how this train case looking, you feel me, then just keep on watching, y'all. But I can already see that they packaged it pretty good. They had the top on there that I don't care about. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, what in the world was that? Oh my god. What? Alright, let me take these out because, like, this is the problem. They packed it pretty good. It's mad dusty though, I'll tell you that. So now it should come out pretty smoothly. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Oh, Jesus. This thing is heavy. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be, which is weird because, like, when I watch videos they all look like it's way bigger than that, but it's really not. It's pretty small. Everybody was saying it was bulky, but it's really not bulky. Clean up as you go. Clean up as you go. So this one does have 4 wheels. This is from, oh my gosh, sun is mine. This is from Yaheetech. I think that's what it's called, off of Amazon. I believe I paid $96 for it, and it was free shipping and Prime, so it came in 2 days because I had Prime. But if you don't have Prime, I don't really know how long it's gonna take to get to you. But yeah, so this is the case. It's so nice, y'all. Like, I'm just like scoping it out. I don't see any damages. I don't see anything wrong with it, which is really good. So up here they have the latches. Then you can open it like this. They have the drawers. Y'all, this is like really nice. This is really some high-techness right here. So they do come with little dividers. You guys can see. They do come with, like, I think it's 2 dividers. Actually, yeah, 2 dividers per tray. So I'm gonna just take all of them out because I don't know how I'm setting this up yet. And then I'm gonna put it here. So the inside, they do have the divider tray as well, and there is 3 in here. How am I supposed to get? Oh, this out. Okay, so these are cardboard, and then these are like plastic. And then it just comes with these 2 long ones. And then this is a short one that goes in between the 2 long ones. So I'm going to put that on the side. And then it comes with keys. So there's 2, which I don't know why. I'm not really sure, but there's two sets of keys. And then there's a strap. So this is basically if you want to take the top off and just travel with the top part, and you don't want to do like, you know, carry the whole thing, you can just do it with the top. And yeah, I wonder if this, like, you can adjust it, the size. Oh yeah, and you can adjust the size too, right here, and put it on your arm. So that's pretty nice too. Everything is in like super good condition. So the inside, let me see. I want to give you guys an idea of how open it is on the inside. So this is my Morphe 35OM palette. I just want to see if it fits, which is really good. So if you want to fit all your palettes in there, you can do that. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. I thought I was breaking it, but that's actually how you do it. So let me see if it's locked now. Oh, it's locked. So you see, I can't even open it anymore. If I do, it's gonna break it. So if I, let's just say I'm trying to open it back up, and it opens. That's awesome. That's cool. Oh, that's odd. So they do actually work, which is pretty awesome. So I'm gonna keep these. I think I'm gonna keep one in my vanity drawer, and then I'm gonna keep one on my keys. The bottom. Okay, so the sides. Taking off the other sides right here. And then this whole thing comes off. It has this bin that you can take out, which looks like this, and you can take these out just like how we did the these are just like a little harder, but you can take these ones out too, and these are the same. Actually no, this one's a little bit shorter at the top, and then it just looks like a regular box. Now let me see if my palettes fit in here, because I feel like this is kind of probably like a little more space than the other one. So this is the Morphe palette. It's slightly smaller. You guys can see just that little space that's in there, but the palettes do fit in here, and it's pretty deep. You can probably stack them and then put like I have this. Oh, this like barely fits. I have this Kathleen Lights palette from Morphe, and it fits, but it overlaps the other one. So, but it still fits. You guys can put anything in there, you know. That was just a little example. So next we have the bottom. In the bottom it has the wheels in here. And then this is so deep right now. Look how deep that is. Super deep. Basically from here to here is how deep it is. So if I put my arm in, it's like it stops. You guys can see. It stops. So my hand flat, it stops about right here. So you have all that room, all that space to fill it up. So down here, I think I'm gonna put my my sanitized stuff, like probably like paper towels and things like that. My two first drawers, like this pulled out one, and then the top one I want to fill completely with makeup. So you can put like your setting sprays in here. I think I'm mainly gonna put my skincare products in here, like my moisturizers, serums, primers. Actually, no, I'm not gonna put the primers in here. I'm gonna just do the moisturizer, serum, setting sprays, makeup wipes, eye cream, you know, like things like that. I'm gonna put it inside here. Toners, basically all the skin prep plus setting sprays. So all skincare prep plus setting sprays I'm gonna put in here. And then the whole top, so this whole top part is going to be filled with makeup, and I think that's how I want to do it. And then the bottom part down here, I'm going to put like paper towels and probably a towel, probably an actual towel, so that I can clean my brushes in between. I'm going to probably keep all that down here. And I don't know, whatever I want to put down here, I'm just going to put down here. So yeah, I'll find use for it some way. But these, you can open the sides here. And then this little part comes down. So if you want, you can put this here. But I wouldn't recommend that because I wouldn't want to break like this part that's right here. I won't want to break that. But this does come down. And I feel like maybe it's so that you could probably like slide this outward instead of like taking it all the way out. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not really sure, but yeah. So it's pretty nice. I like this case a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and start to fill it. But I need to wipe down all my makeup. So yeah.
I got too much on my plate to be playing. You speak on my name, you gon' get a respect. This how it feel when you know you the best. This how it feel when you know your creator. Get to the money, no time for a hater. I'm doing business, just hit me back later.